The National Electrical Code, or NEC, permits the use of a white wire as a traveler conductor in single-pole, three-way, or four-way switch loops. NEC Article 200.7c2 addresses the use of white or grey-colored conductors. It focuses on situations where a cable assembly contains an insulated conductor used for switch loops. The code specifies that the white wire can be used for the supply to the switch, but not as the return conductor from the switch to the switched outlet. This section of the code doesn't explicitly prohibit using the white wire as a traveler between switches. It is permissible to use the white wire as a traveler in a three-way switch circuit. The white wire isn't serving as a neutral conductor in this application. Instead, it functions as one of the two traveler wires that carry the current between the two three-way switches. This configuration is common in electrical installations and is not a violation of the NEC provided the white wire is properly identified. In a typical three-way switch setup where the power feed is at the light fixture, a three-wire cable runs from the fixture box to each three-way switch. In this scenario, the white wire can indeed be used as a traveler. The black wire typically serves as the supply conductor, carrying power from the fixture box to the first switch. The red wire acts as the return conductor, connecting the second switch back to the switched outlet, completing the circuit when either switch is in the appropriate position. Proper identification of the white wire is crucial. Since the white wire is traditionally used as a neutral conductor, it's essential to clearly mark it to indicate its use as a traveler. This marking can be achieved by wrapping both ends of the white wire with black electrical tape or using a permanent marker to color it black. Some manufacturers offer white wires with black stripes specifically for this purpose. This visual identification helps prevent confusion and ensures that electricians and others working on the electrical system understand that the wire is not a neutral conductor. When working with three-way switches and using a white wire as a traveler, consider the following points. Firstly, always ensure the power is off before working on any electrical circuit. Secondly, identify the circuit breaker that controls the circuit you are working on and turn it off. Use a non-contact voltage tester to verify that the power is off before proceeding. Thirdly, properly identify the white wire at both ends. Use black electrical tape or a permanent marker to clearly indicate that it is being used as a traveler and not as a neutral conductor. Fourthly, follow the wiring diagram for the specific three-way switch configuration you are installing. Ensure that all connections are made correctly and securely. Fifthly, use wire connectors that are appropriate for the size and type of wire you are using. Make sure the connections are tight and well insulated. Sixthly, test the circuit after installation to ensure that it is working correctly. Turn the circuit breaker back on and test the switches to confirm that they are controlling the light fixture as expected. Seventhly, consult the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements and regulations in area. Electrical codes can vary depending on location, so it is important to stay informed about the latest updates. Eighthly, if you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the work. Electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take precautions to protect yourself and others. Ninthly, double-check all connections before energizing the circuit. Ensure that all screws are tightened and that wires are properly seated in the terminals. Tenthly, label the circuit breaker in the electrical panel to indicate which circuit it controls. This will help with future troubleshooting and maintenance. In summary, while the white wire is typically reserved for neutral conductors, the NEC permits its use as a traveler in switch loops. This is a common practice, especially in older homes where the wiring configuration might differ from modern standards. The most important aspect is to properly identify the white wire to avoid confusion and ensure safety. By following these guidelines, electricians can safely and effectively use white wires as travelers in switch loops, adhering to the NEC and ensuring the proper functioning of the electrical system. It is important to remember that electrical work can be dangerous if not performed correctly. If you are not qualified or comfortable working with electricity, always consult a licensed electrician. The information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always follow local electrical codes and regulations when performing electrical work. Safe electrical practices are paramount to prevent electrical shock, fires, and other hazards. By adhering to these guidelines and seeking professional assistance when needed, you can ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Furthermore, understanding the NEC and its specific articles is crucial for any electrician or electrical student. The code provides detailed instructions and requirements for electrical installations to ensure safety and prevent hazards. Regular review and updates on the NEC are essential to stay informed about the latest regulations and best practices. Continuing education and training in electrical work are also important for maintaining competence and staying up to date with industry standards. By investing in education and training, electricians can enhance their skills and knowledge, providing safe and reliable electrical services to their clients. In addition to the technical aspects of using white wires as travelers, it is also important to consider the aesthetic aspects. In some cases, using a different color wire for the traveler can improve the overall appearance of the electrical installation. However, it is important to ensure that any colored wires used are properly identified and meet the requirements of the NEC. Using colored electrical tape or a permanent marker can help to identify the wires and prevent confusion. Another consideration is the type of cable used for the switch loop. Non-metallic sheath cable, or NM cable, is commonly used for residential wiring. NM cable consists of 2 or more insulated conductors enclosed in a non-metallic sheath. The sheath provides protection for the conductors and helps to prevent damage. When using NM cable for a switch loop, it is important to select the appropriate size and type of cable for the application. The cable must be rated for the voltage and current of the circuit, and it must be installed in accordance with the NEC. In some cases, it may be necessary to use conduit to protect the wires from physical damage. Conduit is a rigid metal or plastic tubing that is used to enclose and protect electrical wires. When using conduit, it is important to select the appropriate size and type of conduit for the application. The conduit must be installed in accordance with the NEC. Proper grounding is also essential for electrical safety. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, which helps to protect people from electrical shock. When installing a switch loop, it is important to ensure that the ground wire is properly connected to the grounding system. The ground wire must be connected to the metal box containing the switch and to the grounding electrode system. Regular maintenance of electrical systems is also important for safety and reliability. Electrical systems should be inspected regularly to identify any potential problems. Loose connections, damaged wires, and other defects should be repaired promptly. Regular maintenance can help to prevent electrical fires and other hazards. In conclusion, using a white wire as a traveler in a switch loop is permissible under the NEC, provided that the wire is properly identified and the installation meets all applicable code requirements. The electrical work can be dangerous, so it is important to take precautions to protect yourself and others. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the work. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with electricity. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. Work in a well-lit area and avoid distractions. If you are unsure about any aspect of the electrical installation, consult a qualified electrician. Continuing education and training in electrical work are also important for maintaining competence and staying up to date with industry standards. By investing in education and training, electricians can enhance their skills and knowledge, providing safe and reliable electrical services to their clients. In addition to the technical aspects of using white wires as travelers, it is also important to consider the environmental impact of electrical installations. Electrical systems consume energy and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. By using energy-efficient lighting and appliances, you can reduce your energy consumption and minimize your environmental impact. Proper insulation and sealing of buildings can also help to reduce energy loss. Recycling electrical equipment and materials can also help to conserve resources and reduce waste. The NEC is constantly evolving to address new technologies and safety concerns. Regular updates to the code are published to reflect these changes. It is important for electricians and electrical students to stay informed about the latest updates to the NEC to ensure that their work complies with the current regulations. Subscribing to electrical industry publications and attending industry events can help to stay informed about the latest developments in the field. Engaging in online forums and discussions with other electricians can also provide valuable insights and knowledge. By staying connected to the electrical community, you can expand your understanding of electrical systems and improve your skills. The use of technology in electrical work is also increasing. Advanced tools and equipment are available to help electricians perform their work more efficiently and accurately. These tools include circuit testers, voltage meters, and thermal imaging cameras. Using these tools can help to identify potential problems and prevent electrical hazards. The integration of technology into electrical work is transforming the industry and creating new opportunities for electricians. As technology continues to evolve, it is important to embrace these changes and adapt to new ways of working. By leveraging technology, electricians can improve their productivity and enhance the quality of their work. In addition to the technical and practical aspects of electrical work, it is also important to develop strong communication skills. Electricians often work with homeowners, business owners, and other professionals. Being able to communicate effectively with these individuals is essential for building trust and ensuring that the electrical work is performed to their satisfaction. Active listening, clear communication, and empathy are important skills for electricians to develop. By building strong relationships with their clients, electricians can create a positive reputation and attract new business. Furthermore, ethical behavior is paramount in the electrical profession. Electricians have a responsibility to perform their work with integrity and honesty. Upholding ethical standards is essential for maintaining the trust of clients and the public. By adhering to a code of ethics, electricians can demonstrate their commitment to professionalism and excellence. The electrical profession offers a wide range of career opportunities. Electricians can work in residential, commercial, or industrial settings. They can specialize in areas such as wiring, lighting, or renewable energy. They can also pursue careers in electrical engineering, project management, or sales. The demand for skilled electricians is expected to grow in the coming years, making it a promising career path. With dedication and hard work, electricians can achieve success and make a positive impact on the community. As the electrical industry continues to evolve, it is important to embrace innovation and adapt to new challenges. By staying informed, developing new skills, and upholding ethical standards, electricians can thrive in this dynamic profession. The electrical profession is not just a job, it is a calling. Electricians have the power to bring light and energy to the world. By using their skills and knowledge to provide safe and reliable electrical services, they contribute to the well-being of society. The electrical profession is a rewarding and fulfilling career that offers endless opportunities for growth and advancement. The National Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for electrical installations. It is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and safety practices. The NEC is developed by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and is widely adopted throughout the United States. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It provides detailed requirements for electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. Electricians, electrical contractors, and building inspectors all play a role in enforcing the NEC. By working together, they can ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained in accordance with the code. The NEC is not a static document, it is constantly evolving to address new technologies and safety concerns. The NEC is a valuable resource for anyone involved in electrical work. It provides a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines that can help to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical installations.